Hi guys, it's Cody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my cape for my Halloween Maki cosplay from Love Live. The base pattern for this cape was actually from this cosplay book that I bought from Kinokuniya, specifically the one with the high collar. Unlike most American patterns, Japanese patterns come overlapped on thicker paper, which means you have to trace it out yourself. I traced the pattern out twice. First, only up to the shoulder dart seam but at full length, and second, at the entire neckline but with only half the length. I also converted the mandarin collar into a business collar. Once I finished tracing / altering the pattern, I added the seam allowances. I then did a quick test run on the cape and I realized that the shoulder part was a little too short, so I added more length there. The main fabric for this cape was some leftover gabardine that I had, and the lining was some orange satin. Although I didn't have as much as I would have liked, so I had to sew some pieces together to make it work. To sew the cape together, I first sewed the back part of the lining and the main fabric, and then combined them together. This created the lower part of the cape. For the collar, I added some interfacing to stiffen it a bit more, and then sewed the two sides together. However, on one side, I turned the edges up inward, which will be important later on. Now, for the upper part of the cape, I was going to use more orange fabric, but by that point, I had completely run out. So I had to switch from that to some leftover black cotton. For both the lining and the main fabric, I traced out the dart pattern and sewed it together, and then connected the back seams. After that, I drafted, cut, and sewed the ties for the cape. I then basted the ties to the side, and then combined the lining and the main fabric together. Next, I machine basted the two layers together at the neckline, and then I attached the collar at the non-folded up side. I then pushed the raw edges under the folded side and stitched it down using the stitch in the ditch method. And with that, my Maki cape was finally done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. Subscribe to this channel if you want to see more cosplay content from me, or if you want to see me dance, check out my dance channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye guys!